Easy healthy lunch ideas for weight loss. This video is created for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. Lentil soup. Garden veggie chickpea salad sandwiches. Spicy peanut tofu Buddha bowls. Veggie wraps. Quinoa and black bean stuffed sweet potatoes. Cauliflower rice bowls. Tuna egg salad stuffed peppers. Tuna egg salad stuffed peppers. Mediterranean Cobb salad. Avocado toast with cottage cheese and tomatoes. Lemon chicken quinoa salad. Black bean soup. Egg roll in a bowl. Paleo Greek meatballs with tzatziki sauce. Hearty hamburger soup.